Welcome to Birds of the World. Today we're taking a closer look at the charming chaffinch. The chaffinch, scientifically known as Fringilla colebs, is a delightful bird that graces woodlands, gardens, and parks with its presence. With their striking plumage of vibrant blues, pinks, and whites, chaffinches are a visual treat for any bird enthusiast. These agile birds are often seen perched on branches, displaying their characteristic fluttering flight patterns. Chaffinches have a varied diet, feeding on seeds, insects, and berries. Their adaptability makes them a common sight in both rural and urban settings. During the breeding season, chaffinches construct cup-shaped nests using twigs, moss, and feathers, providing a safe haven for their young. Both parents share the responsibilities of incubating eggs and caring for their chicks, ensuring their healthy development. Chaffinches are renowned for their melodious songs, which vary from region to region. Their cheerful calls add a delightful soundtrack to our natural landscapes. The chaffinch is not just a visual delight, but also a testament to the intricate beauty of nature. We hope you've enjoyed this glimpse into the world of chaffinches, reminding us of the richness and diversity that surrounds us. And if you like what we do, please subscribe to the channel.